Alright, you guys, gonna do some smallie fishing today with the tube. Hopefully we can catch some smallie here at Estabrook here in Milwaukee. Always a good place here for a smallie. I used to come here all the time. Let's see how we do. Just drop it down here, and they're usually down there, so. Oh, got one, yeah! Alright, you guys, got one. Woo! My second smallie of the year. Oh yeah. It's a big one. Cool. On the tube, you guys. Cool, you guys. Little 2-pounder. Woo! Throw on the tube, it always works. They love eating crawdads here, so. That was awesome, you guys. Another one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's another one. These tubes are irresistible for smallie. So, if you guys want smallie, come to Milwaukee, Wisconsin here, Estabrook Park, Milwaukee River. Can't doubt urban water, man. See, look at that. I'm using a tube by Trigger. It doesn't matter what kind of tube you use. Just kind of bounce the bottom of the rocky bottom on the shoreline here, so I'll take it. I'm here with my dad, do some smallie fishing here, just caught one. And you can just see a smallie in there. Used to come here all the time, just smallie fishing here a couple years ago. Urban water in Milwaukee. Got one! Yeah, another smallie! Woo! Another smallie, you guys. They're in there, a bunch of them. Can't go wrong with urban water. You'll be surprised what you catch here, especially good fighting smallies. Boom. Another one, yes. Yeah. Woo. A smallie. Oh yeah, I got one. Rock bass. Oh, got a rock bass, guys. Oh, got one. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. A smallie. Yeah, fatty. Gotta let him go. It's a big, nice egg. Oh, yeah, I got one. Nice one. Woo, killing it. Killing the smallies. Huh? Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh no! Yeah! There you go. Nice smallie. Check that out, guys. Man, these guys won't give up. Yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, another one, yes, yes. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, you're not going nowhere. Look at that. Urban smallies right here, you guys. Yeah. Check that out. Fatty. Whoa. Awesome, you guys. Fatty right here. Caught another one, you guys. Choke this guy. Yeah, he swallowed it. Nice fighter. Oh, whoa! I lost my line. That's awesome. Alright, are you ready? Let's go. Yep, go. Big smallie. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, it's a big one. Big one. Woo! Check that out, you guys. It's a fatty right here. Let's weigh him. Very smallie. See how heavy it is. Oh, it's another 2-pounder. Yep, 2 pounder. Going down the rocks. These Nikes are awesome. One of my favorite shoes to fish with. Woo! So you guys can see here, this improved Alberto knot here, a leader knot here, like from the fluorocarbon to my braided line here. It's still holding up pretty good. And man, it is beastie, you guys. Must try it. You guys must try this. It flows really nice within the guides. And it works, man. And I'm still going strong. I lost like freaking 5-7 lures already, so still going strong. What I'm using, you guys, is the Trigger X tube. All right. So that's what I'm using it on, and it worked. Yep, got one. So there you go. Catch and release, quick release. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, awesome, you guys. Man, look at this guy. He's mean, he's bad. He is not happy. Comes in handy to bring a plier to ensure fish is okay. There you go. So this Milwaukee River attaches to the Lake Michigan, and the smallie comes from the lake, and they come here to spawn. The main forage is crawdads, crawfish, crayfish. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh woo. Yeah. This is fun, you guys. Man, I'm having a blast here, you guys. Oh! Lost one. We're going to Zman this time, you guys. Toobs. Yeah, you guys don't know what that is. You guys don't want to know. Alright, you guys. That was a good day of some smallmouth bass fishing here. It was awesome. Here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Urban water. The Milwaukee River. At Estabrook Park. Check it out, you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. JYP.